Hello and welcome to the unboxing, or should I say the unpacking, of the Belkin surge protector. This is part of Belkin's famous Essential Series. There's some information on the top. For instance, this has 3 sockets, has 1.5 meters or 5 feet cable length. It can take up to 2200 joules or 6500 amperes. And what else is there? Let's see. A lot of information on the back, like 3 common causes of power surges, how to connect this and protect, etc. A lot of information, including warranty information. So that's more or less it. Let's just unpack this and see what the surge protector looks like. Very simple packaging. You see there's not much here. This is a warranty information. You should go through it at least once, because these things come with heavy warranties. And this is it. This is what the surge connector looks like. There are 3 15 ampere ports. This is basically the power button, on and off. You can mount it against a wall as well. As you can see, they're like grooves over here. This is the power cable. This is pretty thick, as expected, of a 15 ampere power cable. And yeah, this is a 250 volt power cable, by the way. It is 5 feet long, so that's 1.5 meters in length. And that's it. That's all you'll find inside the pack containing the Belkin surge protector. Thank you for watching.